Alright guys, so to get to the top bolts below this shroud, you don't really need to take the shroud off. There's three pieces. There's a piece here which actually clips down and in and fits in right here like this. It's the first one. The second one I got off was here. It's got three clips. Once you get here, you can reach inside and take these clips off. The next one, of course, once you get your wipers off, is this one here. Once you're able to get your hand in there, you can reach in and take off, pressing these clips to angle it out. The ones on the side here, you just press down and pull out. I like using plastic tools to take these off so you don't damage anything. I'll go through the rest and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is loosen this sway bar link right here. I believe that's a 14, and then you got an Allen key in the center you got to hold still. This thing gets really rusted. What I did is I put on some lubricant and just took a piece of wire brush and wire brushed it as best I can. That's the best way to get it off, at least I found. Then I'm going to take off this brake holder right here that's holding the line. I believe that's a 12, and you just got to take that off and slide it out. You've got two clips for your sensor here. One clip's right there. The other one's right here. You just squeeze it with a needle nose pliers and you get that out. These large bolts here are both 19s. I like to use an impact wrench, and of course you see the bottom there. We're gonna wire brush that to get that loose, and that should be fine, and that should be everything we really need to get the bottom off of this system. And then on the top, like I showed you before, we can access the three nuts here. One right here, one right here, and the other panel in the front is right over here. Be careful with your little water lines and stuff here for your windshield washer fluid and stuff like that. I believe that's what they are. And this is our cap right here for the top, but that we could take that off when we're done to transfer over the hat for the strut, and that should be it. I'll go through the process of that right when we get it out. Alright guys, so we have to reuse this hat, and also we're going to put down this cover boot too, and the same thing too, with a little bit of a bump stop inside. So what we need to do is I make sure that this arrow is what's going to be pointing to the outside. This bolt's going to be the inside of the car when you're aligning it, so you have the right orientation and everything. We're going to go about compressing the spring and taking off the hat in that piece and transferring it to our new suspension. So you know when you're putting this hat in, this arrow's going to be pointing straight in line with everything at the bottom. You'll see the arrow right there, and you'll see the bottom pointing straight to the outside. God damn it!
You sure we got the right side?
Yes, we got the right side in the shirt. How come my side went?
I think you gave me the wrong.
I think I gave you the right one. So, kick me.
Things that clip on the top. Yeah, over here somewhere. I don't know.
It's him. You know what this is?
What the hell is going on here?
It's this. This next one in here.
Wait, this got to go
Like
around
that. Goes in there. Comes down like that. Clips in like that. This piece. Actually, there's a pin that goes here. I don't need that, but I believe this right here. Let's make sure. Yep. So it's all over there.
Good enough.
And we just need. No, that's okay. Once the light's blinking, you're good.
So where does go again?
Hey, right here.
Thank you. Yeah, I was just question.
Then this piece. Just gonna line this up. This is just a push one. Hey, glass.
Where?
I don't know. I'm asking you where the glass is. Did you get the piece for this thing to cover this hole here?
Look in a plastic in your one.
Okay, thank you. So one side slides in and this side clips. There's a bigger part, it's to the inside. So you just go like that, and then this side clips in. That's it. Move. Just gotta put on our windshield wipers and we're ready to roll. Alright guys, we've got the suspension all set up and inside. We did a quick test drive. We did hear a little clunk from the back on the acceleration during turning, but I got a funny feeling that's with the spring and the rubber perch on top giving us a little bit of shake. We'll see if that settles out. We got approximately a finger space in the front. You can't get 2 fingers in like that. We got a little bit more space in the back, but winter's on the way, so we kind of need it a little bit high. We can always drop it a lot more than this if necessary, and we'll go from there. So see you guys next time. Please help to like and subscribe and help us grow the channel. See you next time. Bye.